How to set up stop loss on Robinhood. So to set up the stop loss on Robinhood, you need to simply follow the guidelines. So first things first, you need to log into your account. After you've logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look. Now, once you're here on the logged page, you need to scroll down to the bottom of your page. You'll need to tap on the stock icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. So from the list, you need to choose the stock for which you would like to set up a stop loss. On the other page, you'll be able to find stock past performance, and now you'll need to tap on treat, which is located at the right bottom. And as soon as you click on that, a drop down menu appears. You need to click on the drop down menu, and after that, tap on the top right of the page and select the dollars. Now the dollar option will bring up a few additional choices when you tap on it. So in the conditional order section, you need to tap on the stop order, which is right in between. So you need to tap on the continue button in order to proceed. Enter your stock price, which should be lower than the stock market price. After done entering the amount, you need to simply press continue, which is located at the right bottom. And you may also choose one trading day as time period. Then the second option is to have stop loss on 90 days. So if you're holding a few days, go with the option number. Now enter the amount of share for which you would like to set up the stop order, and select the review option button located right at the bottom, and after that you will completely specify your orders. And in this way you can set up the stop loss on Robinhood. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.